Good day everyone, my name is SJ Barilla and I'm with Kelsey Riola and Madeline Flores, and here's our video presentation for our Research 1 in Science, Technology, and Society. So I'm gonna talk first. For my personal, I acquired smartphones for its multifaceted functionality, including communication, photography, navigation, and access to a wide range of apps that enhance daily life and personal productivity. And here are my smartphones. For my community, I choose electrical vehicles because it helps reduce local air pollution and noise, contributing to a healthier and quieter community. They also support the growth of local charging infrastructure. Lastly, for national, on a national scale, widespread use of smart speakers can drive advancement in voice recognition technology and artificial intelligence. It also encourages the development of smart home ecosystems and contributes to a data-driven innovation.
So, why did you choose electric vehicle for community?
I chose electric vehicles because like what I've said earlier, it helps reduce local air pollution and noise to a healthier and quieter community.
How does smartphone benefit community members?
It benefits the community in several ways, especially in communication. Let's say, for example, you have an OFW parents. Through smartphones, you can stay connected to your family, friends, and also you can use it for emergency purposes.
Yeah. So, hi guys, I'm Kelsey Riola. So, as you can see, I'm holding an AirPods. I choose AirPods as my personal because it's more convenient for me, especially when I work out. AirPods have no wires, meaning I don't have to worry about getting it tangled, pulled, or snag during my workout, which can be common issue with the traditional earphones. For community, I chose Bluetooth mic. Wired mics require specific ports, cables, and adapters, which can complicate setup and require more time and technical expertise. While Bluetooth mics are often easier to set up as they connect wirelessly to the sound system, speaker, or recording devices, they eliminate the need for cables and complex audio interfaces, making them more convenient for quick events. Impromptu gatherings or location where setting up wired system for may not be practical. And lastly, for national, I chose cell phone or mobile phone. Cell phone as a product of technology because it's a portable phone that make things easier. It can also receive calls anywhere as long as there are signals and you can find information and many more. So it's for everyone. Before the cell phone, there was conventional telephone box, printing press, and many more, just to pass information and have some cost to someone else.
Why do you think the Bluetooth mic is helpful for the community?
As I have said earlier, Bluetooth mic is more convenient than the wired mic because the wired mic needs some adapters or cables. Yeah, that's it.
Why did you prefer AirPods for personal use over wired earphones?
Cause for personal use, I'm an athlete, so it's more convenient for me to use in a workout. Cause wired earphones gives me limited action or limited na galaw. Yeah, that's it.
As you can see, I am holding my phone to show you my internet or Wi-Fi as my personal. because individuals use Wi-Fi to connect their devices, computers, smartphones, smart TV for work and education. Communication, this allow for remote work, video calls, streaming, and social media use. And for my community, I chose public Wi-Fi for hotspot in cafes, libraries, and parks. And local business and services rely on internet connectivity for online transaction and customer support. And lastly, for the national, I chose broadband infrastructure because it vital for national economic growth, communication, and access to the digital services.
So, for community, why did you choose public Wi-Fi?
Using public Wi-Fi in the community offers convenience and easy access to the internet for tasks like browsing, checking emails, or staying connected without using mobile data.
So, how does public Wi-Fi benefit community members?
For the public Wi-Fi, community member by providing free or low-cost internet access, enabling people to stay connected, access information, work remotely, and communication.
That's